I'll tell you, we will use Gemini. The challenge I have with Gemini, and this is my own personal challenge, quite frankly, is I've been doing this since 1996. Okay, I've been doing it as long as Google has existed, and I don't trust Google, quite frankly, as much as I should. And it's awful as an SEO person, digital marketer, saying that. I'll say it. It's fine. They don't pay my bills. I pay my bills. Right. So the point is, I sometimes, we try to not put too much confidential. So we don't on any of these AI platforms, we put anything confidential, but Gemini a little bit less, because I know it's just a matter of time in about a year before we start seeing Google Ads show up integrated fully in Gemini. That's just my own personal. So, but Gemini does do a good job with writing content. But then again, if you're writing it and it happens to go on the web, how is that going to affect your SEO too? Right? They wrote it for you. You think they're not going to recognize in their algorithm that, oh yeah, this Gemini wrote it? Of course they did.